has come, the data has come in Stata, and we have the three variables: consumption, income, and education, and year wise we have the data points. Now we can start doing the data analysis. Suppose we want to get the summary of the entire data set. So we have to give the command summarize. So here in the command window we have to write the command, and the command for getting the summary of the entire data set is summarize. So this is summarize. Now for execution of the result, we have to press enter after writing the command. So after giving this command summarize, we have to press enter. So now this gives us the summary of the dataset in the result window. So in the result window, the result is executed. So here we have the three variables: consumption, income, and education. We have the 10 observations for each of the variables, and the summaries are on mean, standard deviation, minimum value, and the maximum value of the variables. And we have the year wise observation. We have the 10 years for doing the analysis, 10 years of data for doing the analysis, and the year is starting from 2000 and it is ending at 2009. Now if we want to get the summary of a particular variable, then we have to give the command summarize, and then we have to give the name of that particular variable. Then only we can get the summary of that particular variable. Now in the command window we are writing summarize, then we have to give a space, and then we have to write the name of the particular variable for which we want to get the summary. Now for getting the name of the particular variable in the command window here, either we can type the name of the variable or we can directly get the variable from the variable window. So for getting the variable directly from the variable window, we have to go to the variable window, and if we select a particular variable, then this down arrow will come beside that particular variable. So then we have to click on that down arrow, and then automatically the name of the variable comes in the command window, and then we have to press enter. So this gives me the summary of that particular variable consumption. Here we have the observation, number of observation, mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum value of that particular variable. Now in addition to these mean, standard deviation, minimum value, and maximum value, if we want to get the other statistical observations on this particular variable, like if we want to get the skewness, kurtosis of this particular variable, then the command for getting those statistical parameters, we have to give this summary. We have to write this command summarize, then put a space bar, and then select that particular variable, and then put a comma, and then detail, then press enter. So this gives me the details of the variable consumption. So here we have the smallest value, we have all the percentile values, we have the number of observations, we have the mean, standard deviation, variance, skewness, and kurtosis. So this gives me the detailed statistical observations of this particular variable consumption. So suppose we want to get the summary of the variable income in detail. So then we have to give the command summarize, then put a space bar, then income, then detail, and then press enter. So this gives me the details of the variable income. Similarly, we can get the details of the variable education also.